In this way, we are on the way of thinking best of luck and lucky congratulations for election. This is Sharad Katare, the junior well CID of Kirit Somaya. Okay. Now see, in this way, the real fact is happening over here in our room. This is a bureau from my mother and father, but this grain is given by my middle brother, and this grain is doing a very hard and so strongly monster work in my life today. So even though I have making the proper Khandoba talk as well as Saptashringi Mata, Tulja Bhavani, and the very ancestors goddess Miswai. Even though the happening is very bad happening with me from 4 to I think 15 days, the bad happening is happened with me. I could not find the real reason. Okay. But the reason in the room only. Here is a very powerful god, Melody Mata, here, and Shani Devata is there in front, as well as this Shivling from Ram Swami and Swami Samartha. Even the bad happening is happened with us spontaneously from 15 days, 15 plus this 3 days, that is I think 18 days. The bad happening is I could not tell you because God Ganesh is there, and I am just coming from Girja's house and Ratrani's house. The Ratrani tell me that she having some medical problem. Her father is telling me he's a Sikh and a Punjab person. He's telling me that he's having the disease like before disease like respiration problem and heart problem is there. Okay. So this way I have not concluded the life partner for Ramabai Colony's house, but for Gujarat it is spontaneously doing very properly. Jain Girja is the one proper wife is getting to us, but even though the life circle is not proper, okay. And today Mr. Digambar Rameshwar builder getting me, he is asking something, giving a smile me, no problem. So whatever happening in our life, that is depend on the supernatural God structure. We could not give the proper answer for that. Okay. आता हाच व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला हिंदी आणि मराठीत पाठवतो आणि गुजरातीमध्ये पण पाठवतो, कारण की मला गुजराती येत नाही, मी शिकत आहे आता सध्या. ओके. स्वामी समर्थ.